guys, today on CandyToyBox DIY, we have a great way to repurpose Zuru Mini Brand 5 surprise balls and recycle them into decorative string lights. You can make them for your room, the patio, the backyard, or even party decorations. I've always thought Zuru Mini Brands look like little fruit slices. I named these Summer Citrus with all the different citrus fruits, the orange, lime, lemon, and grapefruit. Another idea is to do watermelon slices, maybe for the patio for like the 4th of July or something. To make these, first you'll want to decide what you want to make your slices into. And then you can use spray paint, duct tape, Sharpie, acrylic paint, and glitter and Mod Podge. So these are the acrylic paints that I used. You could probably find a little bit better colors. And this is the Mod Podge and some of the glitter I used. I used the yellow on the one, reverse lemon, and the white on the others. You'll want some paint brushes to brush the Mod Podge or the paint on. And I also used this glitter acrylic paint for the one, which turned out kind of cool too. As you can see, a little glitter in the paint there. You can also use Sharpie to draw in color, and you can also use duct tape. I used duct tape for the back of the watermelon. Depending on the tape you have, you could use for the orange or other colors. So those are all the supplies. They turned out pretty cute, I thought. I like the watermelon with the bright colors. The brush strokes in the acrylic and chalk paint looked really cool. I thought it looked more like the texture of the lime and lemon. So first I painted the solid colors. And then I went back and did a line of Mod Podge and put glitter on it. Here we did it backwards, and we cut out my husband helped me. We cut out the triangles and taped off the lines. I thought that kind of was cool, like lemon chill, I called it. So the trick I used to draw a nice crescent for the rind was to put another one on top of it and line it up nice, and then trace that line. And then you can make the other lines, one straight down the middle and two on the sides. And then the edge. The paint goes on pretty well. One good coat of acrylic paint will cover it. And you can either dab it to make it kind of just a little bumpy, or you can do the brush strokes like you saw on the lemon. So now what we want to do is we want to hang the lights on a strand of lights. I use these Christmas lights here, and you'll want these metal O-rings like you do with jewelry, or you can use just wire or fishing line, whatever you come up with. But you use the hole in the Zuru balls that are already there, and you just put the little metal ring through it. And then depending on the size of your lights, you should just be able to attach it over top of the light. They look pretty cool hanging like that. I thought they would also make cool little like backpack keychains. And when you put the lights on, you want to hang it so that the light can kind of hang inside this slice. So that way, once it's hanging up, you don't really see the light. It's hard to get them all perfect, but for the most part, when it's hanging, you won't see the light bulb. Oh, that's my cat, Potter. He likes to come in the videos. decorate Potter. So you can just attach it around there, around the wire. And then just attach the little slice to it. Here I had used 2 rings, one around the light and one on the Zuru slice. So see, you want it to hang where the bulb's kind of not showing. If you don't have the jewelry O-rings, you can use the wire or even fishing line. It's up to you. You'll just have to make little knots or twist it around like I did here. So they're looking pretty good so far. Lights on. You could hang them hanging downward where they all like hang in a line, or you can hang them like that, like you would like on a patio gazebo or something. Here, the lights were so close together, I had attached 2 lights together to hang it on, because this particular strand of lights, they were very close together. I would suggest having ones where they're more spread out. So after attaching the rest, we have some pretty summer citrus chill lights. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. CandyToyBox DIY, peace out.